We haven't done all that much. We spent a lot of time here. So if we're not bullish, we may end up trading lower, and that's fine, but you know, price is going to do what it's going to do. At least on a 1 minute chart, I would say the last line of defense, like the lowest, you know, possible retracement that I would want to see is probably that imbalance. And if we just trade through that, then we'll probably end up taking this low, and I would not probably want to see longs after that. So again, we'll see how it goes, but I'm just not sure. Okay. And just like Ali mentioned, guys, look, I'm not here to tell you to press buttons. We're watching price. We're studying price. Okay. Take a field goal, then it's take a 4th and short the goal line. Right. I agree. Mario says you're in the 5 minute. S&P long off the mitigation, already at break even. Yeah, we'll zoom in on this 5 minute. So that 1 minute was here. What I have on the other chart is this 5 minute here. No, and that's fine. And that's what I'm saying. I would not want it to trade back into this is what I'm getting at. I wouldn't want to see that. You know what I'm saying? And so that to me is why I pointed out that last 1 minute imbalance. You know, if we end up closing below that on a 1 minute, I think that low may be on the table. And I explained this last night, and I try to explain this all the time. If you're bullish, right, price runs up and makes a new high, that's a good partial. You know, that's 15, 16 points, depending on, you know, where given the entry and exit, you know, and that's good in my opinion. You know, even if it is a partial and then it comes back to your entry, okay, you break even. But if you partialed out, then at least, you know, you made something, which is better than a break even. So we've rallied fast. We've dropped down a little slow. So we could rally. But that's a fairly deep retracement. And we're in the middle of today's range. So price could be a little whack, right? From this low up to this high. You see how we're kind of right near that 50%. Look how many times price has hit that level today. After this. Here, 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 and then again here. It's like it's not giving a solid, you know, like rally, small retracement, big, you know, movement to the upside. It's not doing that. And so that to me is kind of questionable. But don't let the impatience, don't let John Phibbs' impatience get you wrecked. Now that's a nice 1 minute candle right there. That's a nice 1 minute candle right there. Let's see if that continues. Let's see. Just zoom out on that a little bit. Now, if it were me, if the entry was here, if I wasn't break even already, I'd probably bump to this low at 87, probably lock in 2 points, right? And I would leave it alone to see if this thing wants to moon up there to 39.10. That's what I would like to see. I'm trying to, I'll go back to the chat in just a minute, but I'm trying to give you my thoughts here. If I was in a short, right? I'm going, okay, go lower. Oh, we're higher. Oh, go lower. And then it's like, oh, we're going higher again. It's like, okay, maybe shorts is not a good idea. So if we can feel shaky about shorts and, you know, long or like bullish concepts are being respected, then we should be good. And that's one of the hardest things, man, is patience. It's fucking hard, man. When you're an impatient person, when you're impatient, you're like, hurry up, dude, hurry up. But then when the market's over, you're relaxed. Oh, it's cool. It's all good, man. Well, when you're not in a trade, you're fucking chilling. But when you're in a trade, it's like, go, 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 go. You know? So trust me, I get it. It's something I wrestle with too. People ask me all the time, John, how do you become so patient? When the fuck did I ever say I was patient? Look at that. Look at that. That is a nice 1 minute candle. Another one. Where's DJ Khaled? Another one. Let's fucking go. Let's get 39.10. Let's see. All right, anyway, try not to be too hype. Sorry. Now there's a little bit more people on here than usual, so let's see. Been studying the JPY crosses lately, and I come up with a strategy which has 70% win rate after back testing. 15-minute time frame to the max to November 22nd. Oh, like the max trading view will allow you to go. Okay. So that could be potentially another partial right there at a new high. That could be potential like second partial, unless you really think this is going to run up there. But that would be another partial to me. I have no emotion. Yeah, I never fucking said that. I try not to. I absolutely tried not to. But dude, we're human. We're built with them. We are built with them. You know what I mean? Like, I don't question if you guys believe in a creator. I do. I believe in God, okay? You know, I don't question what we're built with, what we're made of. Emotions and, you know, selfishness and all these things. It's like, you know, energy drinks don't help impatience either. So it's amplified with that, you know? Can't even hear my own thoughts because sometimes my heart is just like duh, 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 duh. It's like, all right, man, come on. Let's watch Price, let's watch the Imbalance. Duh, 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 duh. So I gotta cut on music, you know? My fucking heart might explode one day. If I ever miss a stream and you don't hear from me, that's probably what happened. John had a heart attack, you know? But anyway, so now I'm a bit conflicted because this isn't based on smart money concepts. It doesn't have to be, man. Smart money concepts is just a name. Like if I said, you know, if I had like a poker strategy and I just called it smart money poker, like it's just a name, dude. They're just concepts. Larry Williams, okay, he in How I Made $1 Million Last Year Trading Commodities book, you know, he mentioned smart money because that was the banks and, you know, who that was. He wasn't I don't think he was referring to the central banks. He was referring to I keep forgetting the fucking name. It's not JP Morgan, it's not Charles Schwab, it's whatever the fucking bank, okay? And that's like how smart money got introduced, was through that way. But in reality, you know, others have said that smart money is central banks, the one who set interest rates and all that shit. 39.10, let's get it. See if we can get that. Oh my fucking, let's go. Look at that candle. Holy shit, guys, look at that. From that imbalance to right there. Sheesh. Sheesh. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. And y'all watched it. We hopped on the stream quick enough for y'all to see not the mitigation, but that imbalance right there. That's another partial, by the way. When we're studying price, that's a partial. Now this to me is a collapse. All right, on an intraday basis, that's a collapse. If not, because part of me believes that we're still going to run the rest of the day, I would take off. If we took 20% off here, I would take 50% off here, and I would hold 25% for the rest of the day in case we get a fucking monster move higher. And I want to be